Match the function with its graph from choices A through D. F of x equals the square root of x plus 2. In choices A through D, we have graphs that have the same general shape as the square root function, but in choice A, the starting point is -2, 0. In choice B, the starting point is the point 0, -2. In choice C, the function starts at the point 2, 0. And in choice D, the starting point is 0, 2. Our function is f of x equals the square root of x plus 2. Therefore, we're looking for the graph that is the same general shape as the square root of x function, but is shifted up 2 units. This is the graph in choice D. For a quick check, we can substitute 0 in for x in the function and see that f of 0 is 2, which is a point that is contained on this graph.